Did I ever think I'd count a portable carpet cleaner among the most reliable products I've used in my life? The answer is certainly not, but it's the truth. The Bissell Little Green machine is a standout item in a sea of lackluster cleaning tools, and I've been using it for 6 years in 3 different apartments. One with a fabric couch, another with wall-to-wall carpeting, and all 3 with a large and active dog whom I love dearly, but who is not known for being especially neat. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down why the Bissell Little Green has earned a permanent spot in my cleaning toolkit and why it's worth your consideration. I'm Brinda Ayer, Editorial Director at Forbes, and this is Top Notch. I've been covering the home and kitchen space for a decade and have seen a lot of cleaning products and tools that claim to be the silver bullet for removing stains on fabric and carpets without using harsh chemicals or getting a professional involved. But none have been so effective and enduring as the Bissell Little Green. This product was first introduced to US consumers in 1993, and while the design and the technology have evolved with the times over the last 30-odd years, the popularity, and as funny as it sounds when you're describing a portable carpet cleaner, ingenuity of this product has really not waned. A big part of my job, and pretty much entirely what we do at Forbes, is to sniff out top-performing products and put them through their paces with rigorous testing in real-life homes, and ultimately help demonstrate to our audience whether or not that item is worth the investment. Based on my evaluation of this product over a number of years in my own apartments, using it almost weekly to clean up stains and spills of all sizes, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Little Green. It punches way above its weight and is worth every penny of its $120 odd retail price. Having a carpeted home or even a few bigger size area rugs already presents a bit of a maintenance problem. This is especially so if you also have pets or kids and if your indoor space is where you tend to host guests. After all, spills do happen. While this isn't a steam cleaner that can cover wide swaths of surfaces, the Bissell Little Green can target concentrated spots, easily lifting day-to-day stains and removing unsavory residue. I first got the Bissell Little Green back in 2019, not coincidentally in response to the roving cast of very nervous foster dogs that were living with me. Do or Dive, aka Dewey, was one who sat in a corner and was so anxious that he would not tell me when he needed to go outside, so you can imagine the messes that we needed to clean up with him. And George Gershwin, our foster fail and current dog, somehow always found a flower bed to step into on our walks and would track in dirt and debris on our very clean beige rug. He still does this, by the way, and we do break out the Little Green when it's especially gross. But beyond the dogs, as someone who loves to cook and entertain at home, I cannot tell you how many wine stains, pasta sauce spills, and chocolate mousse accidents that this machine has helped clean up. After all, the seltzer pouring, towel dabbing method really isn't that effective. The Bissell Little Green far belies its petite size and stands out for its clever design and impressive suctioning power. For one thing, its relatively lightweight 9-pound stature makes it extremely portable. The design is also thoughtful. It's got a big, wide handle on the top that makes it easy to carry, plus a convenient spool for organizing the power cable, and an area for the hose to neatly wrap around and snap into place along the bottom of the machine. That hose, by the way, is a lengthy 4 feet long, meaning it can extend pretty far into the crevices of a couch or under the seat of a car, and the machine has 2 roomy tanks for clean water and dirty water, respectively, letting you do a pretty thorough job before emptying or refilling them. Almost goes without saying, but this machine just works really well too. It's got a user-friendly and frankly quite satisfying trigger that you pull to release clean liquid from the head, and then you apply pressure with that head over the areas you're trying to clean to suck up dirty liquid and any debris that comes with it. The particular model that I have at home is the Bissell Little Green Pro Heat, which additionally heats the water as you use it to help more effectively manage your stains. The machine also comes with a few brush heads, including one for the stairs and an attachment called the Hydro Rinse that lets you self-clean the hose. While I really do love most things about the Bissell Little Green, it's not without its minor inconveniences. For one thing, Bissell recommends solely using their proprietary cleaning formula. I've gotten around this by spraying an all-purpose cleaner onto any affected spots on the fabric that I'm cleaning and adding plain water to the tank itself without using any cleaning solution in there. The cleaning heads themselves are also a little tricky to clean, but the soaking method works pretty well there too. And the machine's fairly noisy, which can be annoying when you're tackling big or stubborn spills. I've learned the hard way that red wine is especially cumbersome to clean up using this device, so brace yourself for a lengthy and somewhat irritating din in the background if you have this problem too. If you have any amount of upholstery or carpeting in your home, the Bissell Little Green could be a great option for you. It's probably not going to be your end-all be-all for large areas of carpeting, but it's a quick and effective method for spot cleaning of all kinds. I've even managed to clean a full area rug after a dinner party using this machine, but admittedly it did take a few hours and was not the most efficient use of my day. After owning and using the Bissell Little Green for the better part of a decade, I can honestly say that it's top-notch. It's not the flashiest gadget in my home, or even the most technologically advanced cleaning tool I own, but it served me reliably and stood the test of time. If you want to learn more about this machine or pick one up for yourself, we've got our full review and a link to purchase it in the description below. And to get insights from some of my colleagues on the game-changing products that have been in their homes and lives for years, hit subscribe and follow Forbes Vetted on Instagram and TikTok.